All right, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing just kind of a quick review tutorial on this foam cannon. It's called Tool Daily. It's I got it on Amazon. It had high reviews. So it comes just with the bottle unscrewed. It came with some nozzles for my pressure washer, which I didn't need, but nice to have some backups. The tubing here, you just push the tubing on the end. It's all assembled. We're just going to screw this on, and once we put soap in, it'll be good to go. It says to add 60 milliliters and then add the rest warm water. So the measuring part really isn't that accurate on the bottle here. It has a 500 milliliter mark, a 1,000 milliliter mark. So we're going to go probably halfway between the bottom, because that's probably about 125. We're going to go right between the bottom and the bottom mark, and soap, and then the rest with warm water. The soap we're using is this Chemical Guys Mr. Pink. This seems to have pretty good reviews. This stuff you can also use in your wash bucket, so it can be just a car wash or a foam cannon soap, so it's kind of dual purpose. So we want to see how well it does using the foam cannon. So we're going to get this mixed up and get it hooked up to the pressure washer. We want to put warm to hot water in here. We're going to fill it up. Mix it up a little bit. Now let's go hook it up to the pressure washer. See what kind of foaming action we get. Okay, first step, we want to just wash the truck off here. We're going to spray it off with water. It's not that dirty, so we're just going to do a quick wash off, and then we'll put down the foam. Okay, so this whole bottle was enough to do the whole truck and a little bit more, so that was just enough. And it looked like the foam was just about the right consistency too, so we got really thick foam here. So we're just gonna let that sit for, I don't know, about a minute, and then we're gonna spray it off. Cleanup's easy, so because we ran the whole thing dry of the soap solution, I kept spraying it, and it got water run through the bottle here, so that way this is pretty much cleaned up. I'm just gonna rinse it out with a little bit more water, and then we're going to turn the pressure washer back on, spray it all off, and then we'll dry it. Okay, there's really only two adjustments on here. There's a plus and minus here. The plus means if you go all the way counterclockwise, that's like more water. So it says if you're done and you still have water in here, you go all the way, turn it all the way counterclockwise, and it'll just be a water spray. And then as you go minus clockwise, that's going to give you more foam. And then there's an adjustment here. See how this, if I turn this here, it opens up like that. So the closer together these flat pieces are, the more of a fan pattern you get. When it's all the way open, you get like a spray pattern. So those are the two adjustments. So it's pretty easy to operate. All right, truck turned out good. We just got done hand drying it, and looks really clean. I'm impressed with the foam. Now, if it was a little dirtier, we would, you know, get some mitts and wash it after the foam was on it, just to agitate, get more of that dirt off there. But it turned out pretty good. All right, overall, I'm pretty impressed with this foam cannon. One downside I would mention is that this nozzle here, where you're pouring your soap, is small. So like when I was trying to pour, I didn't have a funnel. It didn't come with a funnel or any kind of measuring cup. So the measuring units, kind of vague. And then this opening, I think, is too small. So this seems like it'll hold up pretty well. All brass construction. There's just this plastic nozzle here that will turn. But if this was wider, if this had a wider mouth to it, it would make it easier getting the soap in there. But that's probably the only downside to this foam cannon. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel.